everybody and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. On today's video we have a nice sum of £215 to get us started into this week. Now I just want to say first and foremost a massive thank you to everybody who watched last Sunday's video where I kind of just told you a little bit about what's happening with my daughter. She was in hospital for a week and I just want to say thank you for all the well wishes. That was very kind. She's now doing so much better and we're going to start getting back on track. So folks, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. So today's budget, £215. So let's just check and see where we're at, because next week's wages is going to absolutely be chronic, because obviously I didn't work anything the past week gone. I only worked one day. So, you know, we're going to pay for that in the long run, but sure, look, it is what it is. So here we go, 2, 4, 6, 1, 120, 140, 160, 182, 210, 215. And that is what we are cash stuffing today, folks. So first and foremost, my one is the pink one. That's my main one. Now, food. What are we doing for food? We're doing 30 for food in the hopes that it will actually do us this week. Now, I found out something very interesting during the week. So, you all know that I finished paying off my Argos card. Well, it turns out that if I don't actually keep using my said Argos card, they will take it off me, which, well, I thought wasn't going to be a big deal. But then I also found out from Argos themselves that it's actually going to really affect my credit score. And my credit score at the minute is perfect. So, I'm going to have to put maybe a small shop on that just to, you know, use it and be seen to be using it rather, and just keeping everything as it should be. So we have food done. We're going to do 50 for childcare. We have nothing. Right, I need to swap out some notes. Where can I get a tenner? Oh, very might be alright for a tenner. We will talk about Bruno. Right, so what was I doing now? Oh yeah, childcare. That's where we're at. So we're going to put 50 in there. So that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Because before you know it, that bill will be on top of me. And yeah, we need to stay ahead of the game on that one. Now, food got 30. Childcare is getting 50. Council tax is also getting 50. So that's 2, 4 and 10 is 50. I'd love to be one of those people who's like months in advance with these bills. I've been watching some people's, I'm just going to swap out 2 tenors because I might need them. I've been watching some people's cash stuffing and they're like a month in advance. And I'm like, how? God, you must be on serious wages. Right, so we've the council tax, the childcare, the food. Now we're doing very, which will need a tenner. I might actually go in and pay that this week. No, actually I'll wait till the end of the month. We'll be grand. I have another week to go. We'll be fine. Or do we? I'll see where we go with that. I might pay it in, I might not. Now, another tenner to water. Where's my water bill? Because that's another one you won't find coming around as well. We get our big bill in December, but I like to have a fair bit of it paid off beforehand. So, you know, keeping it handy. Right. 50 quid to the boys' beds, 2, 4, and I'm going to have to swap out, where am I here, boys' beds, to put 50 in there, so put in the 20, put in 60 and take out a tenner, doing good, and then we have 15 left. Now, we have stuffed all we're going to stuff for this, for the main one, now into the sinking funds. And I have said here that I am going to put 10 into my home one, which is this one. Now, I know 20 quid is not going to buy me anything when it comes to a house. But it is a start, ladies and gentlemen. It just means that we are no longer at 0. And I'm going to put, oh, I'm not doing the sports. I'm going to put £5 into insurance, because that will soon be coming around as well. I think that one for me is due in July of next year, if I'm not mistaken. And I have about 15 quid, yeah, 15 quid saved. It's not a lot, but you know what? As the time goes on at the beds, once I lose the bed, once I get rid of that, where is it? Once I get rid of the boys' beds bill and the very bill, like that's 60 quid I'll have open up to me. So that'll be massive. I can put that towards a lot of things. And then after Christmas, Saoirse will be getting her 30 hours free childcare. So I will have that. I mean, the council tax will probably go up, so I'll probably have to put an extra tenner in there. But you know what? We're not doing too bad. Not doing too bad at all. Now, cash, what is it, this? The penny challenge. Right, folks, let's see how we go. 1, 2, 2.50, £3. Not bad, not bad. Better than normal. But we already have marked out the £3 one. So we're going to have to be inventive here. Do we have 2.50? I do. Now let's make sure I have 50 on this side. Do I have 50? I do. That's grand. So we have 50p this side. And £2.50 this side. Where are we? Woohoo! And that is another one crossed off the list. Don't forget to update your penny tracker as well, folks. And that is it. That is today's Cash Stuffing Sunday, all done and dusted for another week. Folks, again, as always, thank you so much for tuning into these videos and subscribing and doing all the YouTubey things and following me on my shorts as well. And obviously for subscribing and taking the time to do so. And I shall talk to you next week. Talk to you soon. Bye.